Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I'll be showing you how to add long video on Facebook story. According to Facebook system, your story video cannot be longer than 26 seconds. And if you put more than 26 seconds in the video story, it will be cut to 26 seconds. But I will now show you how you can add more than 26 seconds, that means 2 minutes, 4 minutes or 5 minutes of video to your story. So let's get started. First you go to your Facebook Messenger app. Then enter any chat ID. Now click on the picture icon at the bottom left. Now watch here, I have a video of 3.34 minutes. I will add this video to my Facebook story now. For that I am clicking on this video now. Now here are two options, one is send and the other is edit. I'm clicking edit now. You will find two options at the bottom left here, one is sound and the other is your story. Now I am clicking on your story option. Now a pop-up message has arrived, asking permission to add my story to the message. So I'm giving permission now. Now I am clicking add option. See, this 3.34 minute video has been added to my story. Let me show you about my Facebook story. You can see this video has been added to my Facebook story, and the whole 3.34 minute video has been added. You will try it on your phone. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel.